These frozen flavor cubes cost me $3 to $5 per tray to make, and I'm using them for instant meals all week long. A few cubes, 3 minutes, dinner's done. I'm about to show you how to make 3 types of flavor cubes that'll replace all those expensive sauces you buy at the store. Once you freeze these, you'll never buy sauce again. And I'm including the coconut milk hack you all asked for. Cube number 1, coconut curry. Let me show you how fast this works. Add oil to the pan and any veggies you prefer. Add your cubes and a little veggie broth. Stir it together, and that's it. "5 minutes from frozen cube to dinner on the table." Now let me show you how to make these cubes. The curry base costs $3.50 and makes about 15 cubes. That's 23 cents per cube. Let it cool for 5 minutes so your silicone doesn't warp. Then pour it into your ice cube tray. Each cavity is 1 serving. Once they're frozen solid, pop them out. This is why silicone trays are worth it. They just release perfectly. Quick question, have you ever tried meal prepping with frozen cubes before? Drop an ice cube emoji in the comments if this is new to you, or a hand emoji if you're already doing this. Cube number 2, Smoky Tomato Pepper. Same drill. Melt your cubes, add beans and corn, spoon over rice. Instant Mexican bowl. This base costs $3.65 and makes 12 cubes. 30 cents per cube. Last cube, Herby Pesto. This is the fastest one to use. Heat up your cubes until melted and toss in your golden crispy potatoes. Now you've got delicious pesto potatoes. This base costs $4.50 and makes 9 cubes. 50 cents per cube. Quick bonus. After my last video, many of you asked for a coconut milk substitute. Well, here you go. Blend any plant-based milk with cornstarch and you've got an instant creamy coconut milk substitute. That's it. Works perfectly in the curry base. Thanks for asking about this. I love hearing from you. If you want more budget-friendly cozy meals like this, make sure you subscribe. I post a new recipe every Sunday. Thank you for cooking with me today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.